Alright, so in this video I'll show you how you could run FreeBSD in a virtual machine sitting on Linux. As simple as that. So I jot down few lines as a script so that things get automated. Okay, to give you some sort of sense what I've just babbled to you, let me go to my terminal, and I believe I'm zoomed enough so people can see. I said my scripts are very explicit. FreeBSD vm.sh. I'll show you the script in a moment. If I press enter, and it is booting FreeBSD 14.2. That is the image. I'm sitting on Linux, specifically on Debian. It could be any other distro, doesn't matter. And it is still booting. Now I've been presented with the login prompt, root, and you see my password is sysadmin. So now if I ping, I can get the network connection too. So basically I'm inside a FreeBSD container. Okay, so this is very easy way to get the FreeBSD running inside virtual machine while you are sitting on Linux. Okay, so if you want to experiment with FreeBSD, you could do so. Now let me, to go out of the VM, you have to press Ctrl A and then X. You go out of it. Okay, so here is the mundane script. This is the basically it's just a 2-line. I have a dedicated directory where I get my qcow2 image for the VM and put it in this particular directory. Okay, and make sure I'm get inside it. Then I run this qmenu command. This is generally showing the memory you allocated. This is the processor, number of cores you ask. This is the BIOS. So for that you need to get the OVMF tool from your distribution package manager, which help you to get the UEFI BIOS related stuff to boot. This is your serial console, and this is specifically no graphics related. This is the image file which you have to provide with the drive option, and lastly it will enable the Linux KVM. So these are the explanation I have written in the script. If somebody is missed out on my explanation, they can look into this option and understand what each and every option will do. Very easy, very ordinary. And here is the process, step-by-step process also, what you need to do if you want to start afresh. Once you create that particular directory where you are supposed to put your FreeBSD image, and you get it from this URL, you go to this specific URL and download the qcow2 image as per your liking. Then you have to untar it. Then you have to assign the how many gigabyte of storage to that particular image with the qmenu resize command. And lastly, once you are booted, you are supposed to run growfs to root partition to expand the file system. As simple as that. Three-four steps and you are in. Okay, so this is an abject ordinary stuff, but I think people who are curious and interested to know, they might look in. You can all, I just push this trivial stuff to one of my repository. This is a source art. Here it is. The similar thing you can get it from here, or you could check out my GitHub admin script directory. It should be there also. I have pushed there also. So either you get it from source art or GitHub admin script. These two places. This is absolute ordinary stuff, but I thought it will be good for someone who might be curious and interested to run FreeBSD sitting on Linux in a virtual machine in an easy way. Okay, thanks for watching.